Techno update. Subscribe now.
The phone ships with all the usual stuff and some extras including micro USB to USB Type-C adapter, a tempered glass screen protector, a phone holder, and a high-quality faux leather case. I think that one of the key selling points of the Gemini Pro is an all-metal design and excellent build quality. Well, the phone does not look exceptional by any means, as we've seen this design before, but it still looks great, the buttons are high quality, and the phone feels comfortable in the hand due to rounded edges on the back. As far as size of the device, we're looking at a standard 5.5-inch display phone. The 1080p resolution assures that the screen is sharp and vibrant, but it could be slightly brighter for outdoor use. We have customizable on-screen navigation keys, 8 megapixels front-firing camera, LED notification light, and LED flash for night selfies. I found the fingerprint scanner to be accurate and it can unlock the phone straight from the standby mode without any issues. However, the display could light up a little bit faster. One of the highlights of this phone is a dual camera setup that consists of two 13-megapixel Sony shooters. One sensor captures colors, another is a monochrome sensor. As far as the specifications go, we're looking at a pretty powerful package that includes a Deca-Core MTK6797 chip that is clocked at 2.6 GHz, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of expandable storage. All these specs sound impressive, but honestly, I'm not impressed with the gaming performance. You should expect quite a few skipped frames if you play some 3D games like Asphalt 8 on the very highest graphics settings. Obviously, you can fix this issue by changing the graphics settings to medium, but I expected a little bit better results. As far as day-to-day performance, almost stock Android 7.0 assures that the phone is usually fast and fluid. We have some extra features to play with. Just to name a few, you can change the colors of the LED notification light or use some gesture controls that work pretty well, but sometimes the phone is kind of slow to respond to your gesture. As far as daylight image quality, I expected better results considering the fact that there is a dual camera setup and it is one of the key selling points of this device. Sure, you can take some good looking pictures, but I would like to see some more detail, sharpness, and the dynamic range adjustment is inconsistent. On the other hand, the portrait mode is quite good for a budget phone. The images will look just great on social media, but there may be some artifacts going on. Also, some of the shots could be more detailed. As for the low-light picture quality, it's decent but not really impressive like on most of the sub-$200 phones. The selfies look great as the pictures are quite detailed. Sure, they could be a little bit sharper, but I think the pictures will look just fine on social media. The 1080p selfie video looks quite good for a budget phone. The sound recording quality is above average. The loudspeaker quality does not impress, but it's pretty decent. The sound quality via the headset jack is pretty good too, I have no complaints here. I didn't have any connectivity issues with this device as the call quality and the signal reception are pretty good, and even the GPS lock speeds and accuracy were okay. The phone has quite a few sensors including a gyroscope, so you will be able to use the device with VR headsets. The 3680 mAh non-replaceable battery will let you use the phone for the entire day or more depending on the usage. I could achieve a pretty standard screen on time of about 5.5 hours, which is a decent result. What I noticed, however, is that the battery drains a bit faster than usual on standby mode, but keep in mind that I have installed a lot of apps. Finally, it takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the phone with a supplied fast charger. The Ulefone Gemini Pro is yet another budget phone from China that has great specs, excellent build quality, and it's pretty fast and responsive. However, keep in mind that the camera is lacking in some areas and gaming performance could be slightly better considering an impressive spec sheet. All in all, the Ulefone Gemini Pro offers quite a lot of value for the price, but as always, make sure to consider a few shortcomings before making a purchase.